Afternoon, here we are at Latonia Nicholson's property located at 5101 Yorkville Road, Temple Hills, Maryland 20748. The claim number is 2066 H914L. And today we're going to be trying to do an attempt repair on the roof. It is currently 1:45 p.m. So here we are. We're gonna do the attempt repair. This is the shingle that we'll be putting on. This shingle has a measurement of 36.
35 3/4.
35 3/4. The current shingle that's on is 36. It measures 36 inches. Okay, so we're gonna start the attempt repair right now. In order to take out the shingle that we're trying to repair, we're gonna take off we're gonna have to remove the shingles on top. And as you can see, a lot of the grains are falling off already. So, even though we're being careful and using the tool, the shingle is still getting damaged. So, trying to do the repair would just damage the rest of the shingles. We just can't do the repair without damaging any more shingles. Many grains are falling off. Okay, so if you can see, we're putting in the new shingle now. Just by hammering it in, many granules are already starting to fall off all around it. See if you can see all of those falling off. It's just damaging the shingles around it. And if you can see in this part, this is where the previous nail was. We had to remove it. We had to make a new hole for the new nail, and we couldn't put it in the same hole because the building code, we can't do that based on what the building codes say. And if you can see, these shingles are now exposed to wind damage. If wind comes this way, it'll lift them up, creasing them more, damaging them more. And if you can see as well, the shingle color isn't the same. It's very different. If we come to this side, you can see that this part is damaged, and just to remove a single shingle, we would have to lift this part and this part up just to remove this shingle. So we can't remove it. We gotta do a full replacement, or repair wouldn't be possible. We will damage all the shingles around it. It just can't be. See, we would have to remove this shingle. See, we would have to remove at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 shingles, and 10 with the ridge cap. And since if we remove this, we're gonna damage the other part, since these two parts are connected. And then if we come to the chimney, you can see that there's also damage on it. Hail damage here, multiple there. There's multiple on the other side. All these ridge caps have been lifted by the wind. If you can see all of the gaps, like for example this part, there's like a space in between it, and that's how majority of these are. You can see this one too. You got this one as well. So various of them have been lifted up by the wind. See, you can get a better view. You can see some of them are higher than the other ones, meaning they've been lifted up.